this competition, BBA, it raises your profile, it gets your name out there, and it also pushes your own boundaries.
I like that you have to do the flat top, then you can do a creative cut. It gives you a chance to show your creative side, but also keep that traditional side.
I think his education is really important because you're always getting better and better.
Stay ahead of the game, gives the barbers a chance to.
I think it's important to enter this competition because you get to test yourself against other barbers that are at the top of their game. Coming here today compared to last year, I feel like everybody's stepped the game.
2 points up. You want to know more about our hair products here at the British Barber Association?
I think from going from a flat top, which is traditional and solid grounding of barbering, to the creative side of it, it really shows the range of skill you have as a barber.
Education is so important to me, especially in this industry. It's so ever-evolving that you always need to be pushing yourself. And the next level that like barbers coming through now is amazing, the talent they have.
This is our second semi-final round across the country. The BBA works with government of hair products. Welsh, good man. They've got different sections of what points they get.
It'd mean everything for me to win today. It's the first female to do it as well. It's just, I'm really competitive as well, so I really want to win it.
It mean everything for me to win today. I've been competing for the last 3 or 4 years, trying my best to win the main titles. I've done well in a few, I've come first in a couple of British ones now, but this is the one that matters most. This is the one that is probably the most prestigious, biggest prize money at hand. There's a lot of really high standard barbers here, so to be able to come out on top on an event as big as this would just mean everything. It's everything I've worked for. So.
I mentioned earlier what they get judged on. But our Facebook page. We also do a monthly panel award, the best barber, British barber. The winner takes part in the photo shoot at the Sensei this year. We have an opportunity to work on stage with the video. Okay guys, so we have a winner by literally just 3 points. Only 3 points in it. The winner is Mathew!